Are you looking to make some extra cash on the side? Then check out these side hustle business ideas that you can start today. Whether you're looking to earn some extra income or turn your passion into a profitable endeavor, these ideas are perfect for anyone looking to start a side hustle. Freelance writing. If you have a way with words, consider offering your writing services on a freelance basis. You can write blog posts, articles, or even copy for websites and earn money from the comfort of your own home. Graphic design. If you're creative and have an eye for design, consider starting a graphic design side hustle. You can create logos, social media graphics, or even web designs for clients and earn money while doing something you love. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, consider offering your tutoring services online. With the rise of remote learning, there is a growing demand for online tutors in various subjects, making it a great side hustle opportunity. Handmade crafts. If you're crafty, consider turning your hobby into a side hustle by selling your handmade crafts online. Whether you're into knitting, jewelry making, or woodworking, there's a market for handmade goods that you can tap into. 5. Social media management. If you're social media savvy, consider offering your services as a social media manager for businesses. You can help create content, manage social media accounts, and grow their online presence while earning money on the side. Personal training. If you're passionate about fitness and health, consider becoming a personal trainer on the side. You can offer your services to friends, family, or even clients at a local gym and help them reach their fitness goals while making extra money. Virtual assistant. If you're organized and detail-oriented, consider becoming a virtual assistant for businesses or entrepreneurs. You can help with tasks like email, management, scheduling, and administrative work while working from home. These are just a few side hustle business ideas that you can start today. With a little hard work and dedication, you can turn your side hustle into a successful business and start making extra money on your own terms. So why wait? Get started on your side hustle today and turn your passion into profit.